So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to create a GitHub repository and upload the project in that GitHub repository. So let's get started. So here you can see that I had made a project of Ola clone. So first we will open our GitHub and click on the repositories here. On clicking here you can see a new button to create a new repository. Here I will write Ola clone and hit enter. After hitting enter you can see here the code for creating a repository. Now we have to open the file in our VS Code. I will open it in the VS Code. Here you can see that in the git ignore the node modules are not present. So let's start it. First we will write git init, git add dot git commit -m. This will be a first commit. Hit enter. Then after that we have to git branch -m main. Hit enter. Then the next line you have to copy from here and paste it here. Git remote add and the origin, and the next will be the GitHub link. Then hit enter, and at last you have to write here git push -u origin main. Then hit enter. Here our repository has been developed and the project is also been uploaded here. And reload this page. Here repository has been developed. If you want to clone this project, you have to click here, copy this link and create the folder in the file manager. First we will create a new folder for clone. Then in the clone, in the terminal, when you open here, first I will write cls, then write here git clone, enter 2 strings, then paste the URL here which had been copied from there and hit enter. Here cloning the Ola clone here. You can see here our Ola project has been cloned here. Then if you open in the VS Code, here I will start my project by npm run dev. Okay, I will write here npm run dev, then hit enter. Before writing that, we have to install the node modules. We will write here npm I for installing all the node modules present in the project. Without that the project will not work. Your node modules have been installed here. Now write here cls for cleaning the terminal, then npm run dev, then hit enter. You can see here our project has been hosted locally at 3000. Here you can see that Ola web clone. If you want the source code, I'll provide this GitHub link in the description. So you can see the colors, here the models, and here you can pay for continue. Here you can write a pin code and click on continue or else. Here you can see the image gallery, and that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share it.